Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Nissan Sentra SV, stock number E2024P. Only 33,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, super black in color. The Sentra is a very safe vehicle. It's in an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SV has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control. Large touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And those, of course, are the backup camera displays. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the Sentra has a 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, 130 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 29 miles to the gallon and city average of 38 on the highway. And approximately 30% of tire tread left. For more information on this Sentra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.